Good morning everyone! Dito tayo yan sa Barangay Sulpok in Tanawan, Batangas to film a 6,000 square meters farm house. The property is enclosed with perimeter fence with 50 plus meters frontage. This is a titled property at 5 minutes away from Tagaytay Midlands, right? No, lapit lang. So the property has a main house, you have a pavilion area, then you have a guest house, gazebo, and mayroon kang napakagandang lawn area. Okay, so later na itong pinaka main house, so we'll have to check out the pavilion area. So by the way, this property is selling in the market for 28 million pesos. So if you are interested or anyone interested, message us today. At the same time, if you have subscribed our channel, I invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click that bell button to get you notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Viber, WhatsApp, Imo, and email by simply clicking the link below on the description box. So if you are interested or anyone interested to check out this farmhouse here, malapit siya sa Tagaytay Midlands, no? Napakaganda ng weather at napakaganda ng view. Plus, yung massive land area. Selling in the market for 28 million pesos. This is a gem. Now we have to check out the pavilion area. Let's go, Nunoy. Okay, so over to my left side, the main house, which in a while, no, pupuntahan natin. So, mula sa main house, so you have a lot of gazebo, then ang taas ng fence, so a lot of fruit-bearing trees. So right now, meron kang langka tree over here, gazebo, at develop na yung area. Magkukulik kayo na inyong mga natural fruits. Pwede nyo itong paupahan or to generate income, no? Kasi along the two-lane road, no? Very accessible because ang gandaming mga access dito. So, mula dito sa property papunta sa Tagaytay City, so you have two access, no? Either access sa loob ng Tagaytay Highlands, kung mayroon kayong mga properties sa Tagaytay Highlands, then pumunta dito sa like 5 minutes away. Or if you have other ways naman, mapunta dito, no? Mula sa Talisay, then aakyat ng Tagaytay. Then mula naman Talisay, then papunta kayo ng Tanawan, then connecting sa SLEX, Nuvali, Alabang, Metro Manila na, no? Accessible. Okay, so over here, okay, so meron kang malapad na pavilion area. So imagine, so a family area. So pwede dito mag-host ng event or venue or etc. So maganda dito because lahat ng mga trees ay nangumunga na, no? Yes, may bunga siya. So madami siyang mga jackfruit, may nyog, may kalamansi, at etc. Plus, you have a lot of area pa na wherein pwede yung i-cultivate, i-develop, no, once you are in the possession of the property. So tamang-tama siyang investment or capital asset. Let's go, Sammy. So dito sa side na to, yung atin pong pinaka-walkway ay develop. Then you have a driveway over here. Iikutan natin, no? Papunta tayo sa pinaka, what do you call that one? The guest house area, then balik tayo sa pinaka main house. Alright. So over here, meron kang nyog. Okay, ang ganda ng mga halaman na to, no? At saka itong mga malalaking mga halaman na yan. Then dito sa likod, sa dulong area, ang daming mga pineapple. Di ba? Okay. Then you have a developed walkway again. Papunta dito, guys, and then all the way, papunta naman doon sa pinaka main house area. So may mga mangga, so seems like this, no? Tingnan natin. Okay, this is the one of the advantage na mayroon kayong farmhouse. Imagine, no, magkukulik kayo ng mga bunga nito. Ayan, tagbunga ngayon ng mangga. Kaya kahit sang panig ng Pilipinas, no, dahil tropical tayo. Panahon ngayon ng mangga, di ba? Pero napapansin ko, wala siyang mga langaw, right? Okay, magaling yung nag-alaga dito, guys. So imagine, one of which ito namumunga na, and then ito mamumunga na yan. And then yung iba may mga tawag dyan, Sam? May mga bulaklak na siya. Okay, so from the pavilion area, then the main house area, and then papunta dito sa pinaka guest house na may 2 rooms. Alright, so we have to check out the guest room na meron kang malaking kitchen and a very spacious bathroom area. So by the way, the property is equipped with CCTVs, ang daming mga solar panels, at imagine, nakabakod na siya lahat. Okay? Tingnan natin to. So bagong gawa itong pinaka guest house area. So right here, so you have a spacious area, no? Kasya dito ang isang double size bed. Of course, meron kang access dito sa side na to, papunta naman sa second bedroom. Then ito yung pinaka door. Okay, all the way dito sa pinaka kitchen area. Alright. So for me, okay, sa taas nito, meron kang rooftop. So, you have access here, papunta sa rooftop. And this is the dirty kitchen area. So, very spacious and wide, right? Okay, imagine, kung gano'ng kaganda yung pinakakisame. Of course, you have a long counter with a sink, cooking area, and a nice surface over here. But the adjacent, ito yung pinaka-common bathroom. Okay, this is the common bathroom. Now, right here, ito may access, no, from the 2-lane road. No, imagine, ganito kahaba yung pinaka-fence. So, nakabakod na lahat, no? Selling for 28 million pesos. This is a gem. So, if you are interested, guys, message us today. Kung meron kayong mga kamag-anak, kaibigan looking at property here in the Philippines, so we have parcel of lands, no, nasa Antel Grand Village and Aniana Antel Tanza. The same time, if you are looking investment or big investment, no, seems like this, no, try to consider ito pong property na ito. Okay, now over here, so you have a developed parking area, and right now ginawa nilang basketball court. Of course, yung kanilang poste ay yung puno ng nyog. So ang tawag dyan, na-maximize nila, di ba? Okay, innovation. Pwede naman, but careful kayo kasi marami na siyang bunga. So, ayan. Sometimes, kailangan na siyang i-maintain kasi baka mabagsakan, mahulugan, o magiging liable ka pa. Now, since dapat ito mayroon siyang caretaker, no? Now, ito yung pinakamagandang spot. Alright. Imagine, no? Mayroon kang spot dito, then magkukumpuni ka na yung mga materyales, di ba? So, ito, mayroon silang plies. Ayan, may ply. Of course, mayroon kang ceiling fan, and masarap ditong mag-relax, di ba? Matinig sabi, no? For me, magandang spot, no? Mag-relax, mag-unwind, mag-meditate, and mag-pray. At ang ganda ng simoy ng hangin. Ang sarap, tingnan niyo naman. Pati ang mga dahon, mga halaman, nagda-dance. Marinig mo yung mga huni ng ibon. Of course, ramdam na ramdam mo yung natural air, di ba? Natural air. And then you have the gazebo, and of course you have the guest house, and this is it, guys. Perfect. Now, we have to check out the main house. Okay. The main house, from here, ang ganda ng pinaka-facade, no? It's a modern Balinese inspired, so double height ceiling. So as you can see sa photos natin, ang ganda ng pinaka-interior design. Now we have to check out the house. Okay, so this is the gate. Okay, from the road, okay, you have a massive gate. And then develop, surface. Then this is the main house. Right. Wow, look at that. So you have nice eaves, nice roof design. Of course, yung pinaka-double door, yung pinaka-main door. Then you have a foyer area over here. And you have two grass sa side. And this is the massive entrance. Okay? So together, we'll check out the inside. our farmhouse tour dito po sa Tanawan, Batangas. So, particularly 5 minutes away from Tagaytay Midlands, ng Tagaytay Highlands. So this property has a total lot area of 6,000 square meters. So you have a lot of structures, inclusive perimeter fence, you have fruit-bearing trees, you have a basketball court, nice walkway, beautiful investment, at ang ganda ng pinaka-potential area. Plus, selling in the market for 28 million pesos, capital gains tax included. This is a titled property. The seller is alive. So if you are interested or anyone interested, message us now on the numbers visible on the screen. My name is Ray, a real estate broker and appraiser here in the Philippines. Thank you so much, guys. And I hope to see you in our next video. Daghang salamat. Gracias, amigo, amiga all over the globe. Thank you so much and God bless everybody.